This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Lamborghini Murcielago SV versus the Aventador SVJ. We'll explore how these two iconic V12 supercars stack up against each other. From their powerful engines to their groundbreaking aerodynamics, we'll uncover what makes each model a legend. Get ready for a deep dive into performance, design, and the driving experience of these incredible machines. The Murcielago SV, or Super Veloce, is a true analog beast. Its 5-liter V12 engine delivers 661 horsepower and 487 pound-feet of torque, offering a visceral driving experience. This powerhouse can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, reaching a top speed of 212 miles per hour. With only 186 units ever made, it's a rare and coveted piece of Lamborghini history, known for its raw sound and aggressive fixed aerodynamics. Stepping into the modern era, the Aventador SVJ, or Super Veloce, elevates performance with its 770 horsepower 5-liter V12 engine. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.8 seconds, hitting a top speed of 217 miles per hour. The SVJ's defining feature is its aerodynamica Lamborghini Attiva 2.0 system, an active aero technology that dynamically adjusts for optimal downforce and minimal drag, making it a Nürburgring record holder. When comparing these two titans, the Aventador SVJ clearly boasts superior power and advanced active aerodynamics, reflected in its quicker acceleration and Nürburgring record. However, the Murcielago SV offers a more traditional, raw, and engaging driving experience, often praised for its high-pitched V12 symphony. While the SVJ showcases technological evolution, the Murcielago SV remains a cherished icon for its unfiltered supercar essence. Both are extraordinary, but for different reasons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.